The era of the compromised handheld is officially over. For years, we've played a game of trade-offs. You wanted power? You had to carry a charger everywhere. You wanted portability? You had to settle for blurry graphics and 30 frames per second. But something happened in early 2026 that shifted the tectonic plates of the gaming industry. The ASUS ROG Ally 2, specifically the Performance Edition, didn't just launch, it staged a coup. While the Steam Deck was playing it safe with efficiency, and the MSI Claw was finding its footing, ASUS decided to drop a literal nuclear bomb on the portable market. We are talking about a device that has finally cracked the 60 FPS code for every single AAA game in your library. Cyberpunk at ultra settings in your palm. It's not a dream anymore. Today, we are peeling back the skin of this beast. We are diving into the secret Strix point architecture of the Ryzen Z2 Extreme. The truth about the 80 Wh battery that's scaring the competition, and why the Best Buy exclusive window in the USA has created a hardware shortage like we haven't seen in years. If you're even thinking about buying a gaming laptop or a console this year, you need to stop. The rules have changed. This is the definitive ROG Ally 2 breakdown, and you're about to find out why your PC desk is about to start gathering dust. Why is the USA tech market losing its mind over a handheld in 2026? It's because of the Z2 factor. The heart of the ROG Ally 2 isn't just a processor. It's the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme. Built on the 4nm Strix point process, this chip is a hybrid monster. It features 8 CPU cores, a mix of high-performance Zen 5 and ultra-efficient Zen 5C cores. But the real story is the GPU. We are looking at the Radeon 890M graphics with 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units. In plain English, this handheld has more raw graphical power than the Xbox Series S. Let that sink in for a second. You are holding a machine that can outperform a home console while you're sitting on a flight from New York to LA. But power is useless if you can't see it. That brings us to the screen. ASUS finally listened. The ROG Ally 2 has made the jump to a 144Hz OLED panel. This isn't just any OLED, it's a VRR-enabled, variable refresh rate display that eliminates stutter and screen tearing. The blacks are perfect, the colors are vibrant, and the brightness peaks at 1000 nits. If you're playing a game like Elden Ring or Crimson Desert, the shadows actually look like shadows, not muddy gray soup. But here's the secret hook. ASUS has integrated variable focus technology into the display layer to reduce eye strain during those 3-hour sessions. It's a feature borrowed from high-end VR headsets, and it's a game changer for anyone over the age of 25. But let's talk about the biggest controversy of the original Ally, the SD card reader. We all remember the horror stories of the original model cooking microSD cards because of poor heat placement. In 2026, ASUS hasn't just fixed it, they've over-engineered it. The ROG Ally 2 features a shielded thermal tunnel. The heat from the APU is directed through dual sinusoidal fans and out the top, completely bypassing the internal storage components. In fact, they've even added a secondary M.2 2280 slot. You no longer have to hunt for those tiny 2230 drives. You can drop in a standard 4TB desktop SSD and have your entire Steam library in your pocket.